Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we find the arithmetic mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. Ungrouped frequency distribution. In the previous video, we find the mean only ungrouped data. Here, frequency distribution table is also given to find the mean. Okay students, next one. So observe the screen. Data is two types, primary data and secondary data. So primary data is the ungrouped data or ungrouped data or raw data. Okay. So grouped data means the raw data is divided in the groups or classes. Classes are groups not exceeding 10 and less than or 5. More than 5, less than or equal to 10 classes divide the given data. That is called grouped data. In the grouped data, each class numerical figure is data is called an observation. Okay. Next one. Mean of ungrouped data. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. That is called mean. The observations are denoted by x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. Mean is denoted by x bar. So x bar is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Okay, this is the formula of the ungrouped data. Find the mean. So x bar is equal to, we write sigma x by n. Sigma x by n. Okay, this is the one of the formula to find the mean given ungrouped data. Next question, we find this less than 10. We find the mean prime numbers less than 10. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. These 4 are the prime numbers below or less than 10. So the number of observations n is equal to 4. Next formula x bar equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So sum means 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17. 17 by 4. 17 by 4 equal to 4.25. This is the mean of the given data. This is the ungrouped data to find mean. Next one, observe the question. Weight of 40 students in the class are given in the following frequency distribution table. Weight of the 40 students in a class given in the following frequency distribution table. To find the mean of the weight of the each person or each student weight of the mean weight. Okay, so how to find? Here, to find the mean, x bar is equal to the 30 kg students is 5. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. 5 times, that is 150 is the answer. Next one, 32 times 32 kg student number of students is 9. So that means 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32. 9 times. So the sum is equal to 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 28. Next one, 33 kgs of students is 15. So their sum weight is equal to 15 3 is 45, 15 3 is 45, 49. Next one, 35 kgs of students is 6. 6 5 is 30, 6 3 is 18, 21. So 37 kgs of students is 3. 3 7 is 21, 3 3 is 9, 11. Next one, 41 kgs, highest weight is 41 kgs, that number of students is 2. So 82 kgs their sum. Total number of students in the class 14, 29, 35, 40. In the question also given 40 number of students. Okay, so the number of students is 40. Their total weight equal to 150 plus 288 plus 495 plus 210 plus 111 plus 82. Okay, so therefore add them. The total weight equal to 1336 by 40. 1336 by 40. So first of all divide by 10. So put the point before one digit. 133.6 by 4. 133.6 by 4. Divide by 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12.40 kgs. 33.4 kgs the average weight of the students. Here weight in kgs is x. The frequency is f1, x1, f1, x2, f2. How to find? So here x1 into f1, x2 into f2, x3 into f3. So xn into fn by sum is equal to sigma f or f1 plus f2 plus f3. This is the method. So this is the formula. Here observe the question on the screen. x1, x2, x3 and xn are the observations. Their corresponding frequencies f1, f2, f3 and f4. So x bar equal to, here observe, sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum means f1 into x1 plus f2 into x2 plus f3 into x3 so on fn into xn by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on fn. Okay, so therefore x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the mean formula given ungrouped data frequency distribution. Okay, in the previous only ungrouped data, here ungrouped data but frequency distribution table. So x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sometimes we write the formula sigma fx by n, sigma fx by n, or sometimes sigma fx by sigma f. This is also formula of the average. Okay students. So observe the question. Sometimes questions are given in the ungrouped data frequency distribution table. To draw the table with 3 columns. In the first column, weight of students, that is the observations. Okay, x. In the frequency is second column, number of students. Next third column, we find the fi into xi. Fi into xi. Here the data is right in the first column. Second one is the second column. Third one to find the fi into xi. So 30 into 5, 150. We write the place value system 150. 32 9 ja, so 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 28. 15 3 ja 45, 15 3 ja 45, 49. 6 5 ja 30, 6 3 ja 18, 21. 3 7 ja 21, 3 3 ja 9, 11. So 82. This is the method to write the columns ones place, 10th place and 100 place, because we add simply. Okay, so 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 16. Next one, 8 plus 1 9, 10, 11, 20, 33. Okay, 23, 33. Next one, 4 6 10 13, 1336. This one is called sigma fi xi, sigma fi xi. Okay, sigma fi xi is equal to 1336 and sigma fi sum of frequencies is equal to 40. Okay students, next one, write the formula. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So sigma fi xi is from the table 1336 by 40. Okay, 1336 by 40. So 133.6 by 4. Next one, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12.4 kgs. This is the average weight of the each student. Okay, na? This is the method to find the arithmetic mean given ungrouped frequency. First of all, first column, first horizontal line is right, first column. Second one is right, second column. In the third column, we find fi into xi. Last table, last line, find sigma fi and sigma fi xi. Next one, write the formula. X bar is equal to mean equal to x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi and substitute the values. Okay, observe the screen, write the notebook. Okay, first column, second column, third column we write the order place value. Sum is equal to sigma fi xi is equal to 1336, sigma fi is equal to 40. Okay students, next in the right side, mean equal to formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sometimes sigma fi xi by small n or sometimes capital N. Okay, substitute the values. So cancellation, after that mean equal to 33.4 kgs of the student. Okay, next question. Example 6. Find the mean of the following data. Here x and f. X is the observations or class mid value. F is the frequency. So we draw the columns vertically table. Write the 5. The frequency is 3. In the 10, 10, 15, 25, 27, 25, 5. Next one, fi into xi. Next, fi into xi. So first of all, 5 3 is 15, 10 10 is 100. Next one, 15 into 25, 15 5 is 75, 15 2 is 30, 37, 27 is 140, 25 5 is 125. Next one, write the sum sigma fi xi here sigma fi. Sigma fi is equal to sum of frequencies. So 12, 37, 47, 50. Next one, sigma fi xi. So sum 15, one is the carry, 3, 7, 14, 15. Next one, 2, 3, 6, 7. 755. Okay, 755 is the sum sigma fi xi. Next one, write the formula x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So 755 divided by 50. Okay students, so 75.5 by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. 15.1 is the answer. This is the mean of the given data, 15.1. Next one, write the notebook. So same, sigma fi is equal to 50, sigma fi xi is equal to 755. Mean, write the formula. Mean equal to x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, or sometimes sigma fi xi by n. Next one, substitute the values 755 by 50. So therefore write down x bar equal to 15.1. Here not given in the marks or white or height, anyone not given. So the average equal to 15.1. Okay students, thank you. In the next video we solve the 7th example.